After their landmark Virginia hearing, Johnny Depp's legal team members, Chew and Camille Vasquez, appeared on Good Morning America for their first tell-all interview. The two discussed more details of the defamation trial and how their victory against Amber Heard was received, opening up about the impact it had on their lives and finer details of the case. But later on, Chew, while on a video call, detailed how a unique strategy helped them expose Amber and eventually handed Team Depp the victory. So which strategy is this, and what did Camille, on her part, think of it? Let's find out more. Speaking with George Stephanopoulos following their legal victory, Camille Vasquez said, "The key to victory was focusing on the facts and the evidence and Johnny's opportunity to speak the truth for the first time. It was 6 years in the making, and I think he was able to connect with the jury and the general public." On his part, Chew said regarding Depp's reaction following the win, "He was over the moon. It was like the weight of the world had been taken off his shoulders. And I feel that finally, after 6 years, he's gotten his life back." The dynamic duo had everything planned out and were textbook perfect when it comes to how they handled Amber. Chew revealed that they both used the podium strategy, or rather, more of a good luck charm piece he received from his mom. Chew said he and Camille both used the little encyclopedia-like podium during the hearing, and it worked just well. During their TV interview, when asked about their thoughts on the response from domestic violence advocates, Camille clarified, "I think it's disappointing. We're only speaking about what happened in this case, and the facts in this case were overwhelmingly positive for Johnny, and the verdict speaks for itself. I think our response to that is we encourage any victim to come forward. Domestic violence has no gender," she stated regarding the assertion that the verdict is harmful to other such cases. Chew alluded to the same earlier, insisting that the knowledge and the teaching she received from her mom also helped them argue their case. The two lawyers were then asked about what they thought of Amber's presence and demeanor during the trial, with Camille responding, "I think that her impression on the jury was what it was. Something that we focused on in that cross-examination was using her words against her. It was important to us that any question that was asked was tied to something she had said previously. And the jury got to see, the world got to see and hear from Ms. Heard in that relationship on every single topic." Chew then added, "There was a real contrast. Johnny took ownership of a lot of things, and it seemed at times that while Amber had an answer for everything, and she wasn't taking accountability for anything, and I think that made a difference." The pair were also asked about the announcement by Amber's lawyers to appeal the verdict given her inability to pay the sum, and they said they were ready for anything. And even though Camille was the outright star that came out clearly during the trial, Chew also had some unforgettable moments. The lawyer won the internet after bringing a stuffed alpaca to support Depp. Amid trial, Depp insisted that his ex-wife's defamatory op-ed in Washington Post caused him to lose prestigious roles, including Pirates of the Caribbean. In an attempt to prove that Depp's relationship with Disney, in fact, soured before the op-ed, Amber's team grilled the actor in court. "The fact is, Mr. Depp, if Disney came to you with $300 million and a million alpacas, nothing on this earth would get you to go back and work with Disney on a Pirates of the Caribbean film, correct?" Amber's attorney, Ben Rottenborn, asked Depp during the interrogation.
"And the fact is, Mr. Depp, if Disney came to you with $300 million and a million alpacas, nothing on this earth would get you to go back and work with Disney on a Pirates of the Caribbean film."
Soon after the reference, hunters of Depp fans brought alpacas to the court in order to show their love for the star, among which was also Chew. "His friendly smile is too much for me to handle. He reminds me of Master Yoda in the sense that he looks super sweet and friendly, yet possesses unfathomable amounts of power," wrote one fan in appreciation. So Amber wore bees on her ears and Chew rebuttals with an alpaca, another Twitter user added. Then the third guy dove in, writing, "I bet their utter coolness will inspire more people to get into law." So yeah, Chew did his part, and it's too huge to be ignored. Remember, this information is based on theories and opinions, and therefore shouldn't be considered facts. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye!